Hey, I'm Cameron McKenzie. I'm the editor-in-chief at the serverside.com, and I want to quickly show you the difference between the next and nextLine method of the scanner class. As you can see, I've got a replit open right here. It's a little program that uses the scanner class. What does it do? Well, let me, boom, click that run method. As you can see, it prompts you to ask you for your age. How old are you? And when that comes in, I can type something in at the command line, maybe 49. When I click enter, it says, hey, 49 is a good age to be. Now, as you can see, that uses the myScannerNext method, but we want to know what the next and the nextLine method do. So let's change that. Let's do a little edit there. Add nextLine, throw all of that in the trash bin, click run again, and watch how different this is going to be. The print line prints out. It says, how old are you? I type in 49 and boom, 49 is a good age to be. And it looks like everything is exactly the same, but it's not. There's a difference here. Now let me run this program again to exemplify. That's a big word, which means show you the difference between next and nextLine in Scanner. Let me type in an answer here. How old are you? 49 and a half. Then it says 49 and a half is a good age to be. Okay, that's what we would expect as the output, but let me clean that up. Click that beautiful green run button one more time, but do it with myscanner.next. Not nextLine, but next. It says, how old are you? I say 49 and a half, and watch this. Boom, it says 49 is a good age to be. It doesn't say 49 and a half is a good age to be, as the nextLine did. It said 49 is a good age to be, and that's because the next method will tokenize, that's a big word for split up, the input string based on white space, based on spaces, and then it handles that one space, one character at a time, whereas nextLine, it eats up the whole darn thing. Now, watch this. If you actually want to get all of the information out of a text string, one token, one element, one text string at a time, based on breaking up by white space, what you can do is you can do this. You can say, hey, let's go to my scanner, and let's see if it's got any elements inside of it waiting to be processed. And then what you do is you say, hey, string name equals, throw that in here, string name equals myscanner.next. And then here we can print out, oh, something like, hey, that is a good age to be. Maybe I'll comment that out there. You know what? That's bugging me right there. I'm just going to delete it. That's the kind of guy I am. I'd rather have stuff deleted there. But let's see what happens now. Now we've got the scanner. We've still got the next method, but I click run and it says, how old are you? And I'm going to say, you know what? I can't remember. I'm either 49 or I'm 50. Maybe I'm even 25. Maybe I'm 22. Maybe I'm 30. I don't know. I can't remember. But I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tokened elements there. And look at what happens when I click enter. Boom. It prints each one of those out inside of a loop. It tokenizes each element in the input string based on input. Now, what would you think would happen if I did the exact same thing, but did it differently? The exact same thing, but differently. Well, let's see what would happen here. I'm going to click run with myscanner.nextLine, and it's going to say, once again, you're probably getting bored of this. How old are you? You may have actually aged since I started this tutorial, but it says, how old are you? And now with nextLine, I'll say 49, 50, 51, 25, 38. Click enter, and wow, look at that. That actually prints everything out. It doesn't tokenize it at all. It prints everything on that same line. So that's all pretty crazy stuff right there. Now, there you go. That is the key difference between next and nextLine with the Java Scanner class. Now, if you enjoyed that tutorial, why don't you head over to the serverside.com. I'm the editor-in-chief over there. We got lots of great tutorials on Java, Git, GitHub, Docker, DevOps, enterprise software development, you name it. If you're interested in my personal antics, you can always follow me on Twitter at CameronMCNZ. And Oh, one last thing. Oh, yeah. Why don't you subscribe on the YouTube?